What's going to help mortgage pros thrive in 2025?
All right, let's keep rocking it. Make your bad habits hard and difficult, and your good habits easy and fun. My old habits, I still have bad habits, but some of my old habits that I was able to conquer over the last year were scrolling on social media like a crack addicted rat on Instagram and Facebook, just scrolling, whether it was when I was not in the room with my family and I'd be on the way up to visit my family, I'd be scrolling on the way to see them. How redunculous is that, right? I know you guys never do that, but you can imagine how silly that is to be scrolling while you're on the pod, right? Like, who does that kind of silly stuff? I'm kidding, because probably most people do that nowadays. But this was a bad habit because I was noticing that I was looking at things that were wasting my time, and it was like death by a million razor cuts, and it was corrupting my character. I found out there's some great parental control apps that shut that stuff down because I don't have the willpower. And that's where power lies, is realizing and admitting your weakness. I put parental control app on my phone, governed by my wife's phone, so that I don't have the proclivity anymore to scroll, because I can't scroll because I literally shut it down. So you make the bad habit difficult and hard, and you make the good habit easy and fun.
To learn more, watch my free masterclass at mortgagemarketingcoach.com/grow. We'll see you there.